I closed a $20,000 deal and not a single workflow was involved. And here's what happened. I walked into a call ready to pitch an automation, but the CEO stopped me. And he said, we don't need another workflow. We need infrastructure that doesn't break every 2 weeks. And that changed everything because workflows are fragile. They're built on duct tape and hope. But infrastructure, that's what scales. And that's what companies actually pay for. And honestly, I wish I had this figured out 6 months ago because I've personally built and sold over $100,000 worth of automation systems in the last 12 months. And I can honestly tell you that clients do not care if your projects use AI. All they care about is the results you're delivering, the outcomes you're getting from them, and the experience of what it's like using that product and working with you. Let me show you what I mean. This is what a comprehensive AI infrastructure looks like. You have custom dashboards, real-time insights, sales calls booked, revenue tracked, and campaign performance split tested. This is an example of a lead manager CRM. So you've got a sales pipeline, you've got the number of leads and who they're assigned to, you've got all your sales rep information in here, any tasks that they're working on, and the most important function of all, the analytics. So you can see a total number of leads, the lead value, the opportunities, the active users, you've got a pipeline distribution chart, and a lead source distribution pie chart. And this is why comprehensive infrastructure and applications are where the real money is. And I'm going to show you exactly how right now. Everyone on the internet is telling you to build simple end-to-end systems and sell them for 20 grand. But I can tell you from personal experience, that's just not how it works. I've tried this approach. I've made thousands of dollars selling this approach, and it's painful. There's a lot of back and forth. The types of clients that want this are the ones that could do it themselves, but they just don't want to. But here's the thing. If you sell a workflow, you're selling a task. But if you sell infrastructure, you're selling a system that touches every department. So everyone's going to tell you to build something like this. Maybe you connect some webhooks, the AI agents, some vector databases, or you connect a bunch of workflows to it, and then you sell it to a client for 10 grand. But that's not how it works at all. What you really want to do is go to a business that doesn't understand end-to-end at all. They don't understand automations, but they vaguely get the idea. And you build them custom dashboards, custom user interfaces using vibe coding tools like Cursor or Lovable.dev. But what about the end-to-end workflow? Well, that still lives on in the backend. But how you package it? You can sell it for as much as 5 times if you package it better. Let me show you a real system that I built on a previous video, which cloned a multi-million-dollar app. And the basis of this app was that you could take a picture of any plant or upload a picture of the plant into this SaaS tool, and it will identify what the plant is. Now, the front end looks glossy, and I actually built this inside of Lovable.dev. And this is where the value is, because in a second, I'm going to show you what the backend end-to-end automation looks like, which does all the processing with AI. So this app is very simple. You take a picture or you upload it. In this case, I found something off Google, and within a few seconds, it'll tell you what this is. So in this case, it's a Swiss cheese plant. It'll give you some botanical insights, and it'll give you a score. So this AI agent is 98% certain that this is the Swiss cheese plant. But have a look at the AI agent automation that's running under the hood. This looks very basic, and it is very basic. We have a webhook. So when the user submits the upload button, it will then trigger this webhook inside of N8N. The next node will analyze the image. So we're using ChatGPT's vision here. And then there's a plant analyzer AI agent. So the analyze image will actually tell us what's in the actual image itself, describe the leaves, the plants, the way the plant looks. And then based off that information, the AI agent will tell us what it is. It's using 2.5 Flash from Google Gemini. And then once it's done, it will send that information back through the webhook into the SaaS tool on Lovable. And that's everything that you see here in the second window. And this took only 10.9 seconds to send that information back once it knew what the plant was. And what's great about the system is that you're only selling the front end, which is worth way more than the back end N8N automation, which, let's face it, is not very sexy. But this is how you multiply your revenue, because this just looks easy and simple to use, which it is. And it's also very simple to build in Lovable.dev. And when I sell a system like this, there's absolutely no reason for my client to know any of this, to know what's going on in N8N under the hood. And honestly, they don't care. They don't care what AI agents I'm using. They don't care that I'm using Vision to analyze the image, or that I'm using Flash 2.5. All they care about is the output. But here's what I'm doing now. I'm taking this exact system and turning it into a SaaS platform. And honestly, the output does not matter. I can connect it to any system. So if they want a social media content management system and they're using ClickUp, for example, instead of saying, hey, you have to use ClickUp, which they might not even know, I'll just say, go to this URL. And now they see everything. Content analysis, average view growth, average engagement rate, trending video patterns, and the emotional triggers that we're targeting. And this is what I'm talking about. The client can see all the social media copy, the brand documents, everything the AI did, all in one place. They have full control inside a very user-friendly interface. And they do not need to know what's going on in the backend. And if you give them a dashboard like this, they're going to feel like, oh wow, you sent 20,000 emails, or you got 20 sales calls, or you managed 75 warm leads. That's just in a month. Of course, I want to pay you 3 grand a month. It's a no-brainer because the ROI is visible. They can see it. It's in front of them. So let's say you're selling a lead gen system to a medium-sized business, and they're at $2 million in recurring revenue, but you wanted to get them to $10 million. And you say, our system launches in 2 weeks. Custom dashboard, custom experience. You'll see all the insights of everything that we're doing. So let's say to get from 2 million to 10 million, they are going to need 100 new clients. Each client is $80,000 in recurring annual revenue. So that's 300 sales calls at a 33% close rate, which means you need 35 qualified sales calls per month. And if you reverse engineer that, last month for one of our clients, we sent 10,000 emails. They got 20 sales calls. For you, because your market is larger, we can ramp that up to 15,000 or 20,000 emails per month. And then you say, at a warm lead to sales call booking rate of 66%, we'll get you 10 sales calls in the first month, 20 in the second month, 30 in the third. Would that work for you? And obviously they're going to say, of course. And then you say, okay, the system is between $3,000 to $5,000 a month. And that, my friends, is how you close a deal. And this is exactly what I'm doing. Because let's face it, between $3,000 and $5,000 per month, it's a great deal for the client. And with our custom dashboards, they can see every single piece of value that you're delivering, including top line and bottom line numbers. Good luck selling something like this for $10,000 a month. I know some people who have done it, but this is not how you get started, because this is 10 times harder versus if you can get on the phone call and say, hey, let me demo a system that we can build. Here's how we did it for a recent client. This is exactly what it's going to look like for you. You're going to see the exact results. Here's the results you can expect. And if it doesn't work within the first 30 days, I'll give you your money back. But I'm so confident because I've done this for 5 other clients. I know it can help you. And if you haven't done that, find a real client and run it free for them. Do it until you get results. Then use that as leverage. Use that as proof. This is really the essence of the system. I'm working ruthlessly to make an extremely scalable version of this lead generation, customer facing offer. And the output can be whatever you want it to be. It could be a customer CRM or a social media content SaaS. With lovable.dev, you can build any type of dashboard. And I've sold multiple clients on lead gen offers. It's working really well. So if you want to learn the business strategy, the lead generation systems, and how to get your first client, everything you need is inside the Automation Kings private community. The link is in the description. Click on it, follow the on-screen instructions, and I'll see you on the inside. Thank you so much if you made it this far, and I'll see you at the next video.